ऐसा कैसे सर, आप बोलो बताइए आप। सर आप स्टेटमेंट तो ले करना ना साहब।
Sir, yeah, sir, first.
First give me the mic sir, then you can answer. या तो मेरे को माइक दीजिए ना साहब। मेरी बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं आ रही, आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे आई तो अच्छा है साहब। Honorable Speaker sir, I just went and clarified from the Secretary Saab whether it is a short discussion or not. I saw the agenda also. Yes, it's a short discussion. Sir, whenever we have a short discussion, statement is late, sir. And all the members, they go through the statement and reading the statement and hearing the ministers. Then we have some few clarifications or, whatever questions we have, we ask. But yesterday also, sir, we had a short discussion. It wasn't laid on the table, but it went ahead like that. Today also, sir, if such an important subject, again if we are going to have without laying, sir, I know every session it is a mandate. It is mandatory, it is compulsory that we should have a discussion on Krishna Godavari, Krishna Godavari, Krishna Godavari. Yes. Fine, we'll have it today also, sir. At least lay the table, sir. कल का एजेंडा भी नहीं आया, सर. क्वेश्चन आवर रात के 1 बजे आ रहा, 1 बजे एजेंडा आ रहा. कैसा होगा सर ऐसा? सर, प्लीज कम फॉर अवर रेस्क्यू, सर. एक स्टेटमेंट दे दिए तो हम भी पढ़ लेते, सर. फिर इतना इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है, सर. जरा आप दे दिए तो हम पढ़ ले सकते, सर. हर वक्त ले करते हैं, सर, टेबल पे. अगर आप रोलिंग दे देते हैं, अगर आप कि नहीं आज से कुछ भी ले करने वाले नहीं है, the final, your decision is final, sir. There is no question that anybody can question your decision, sir.
Adhyaksha, sir, PowerPoint presentation istana sandarbhamlo. So short discussion ki sambandhinchi. No, sir. Sir, last time when it has been made a PowerPoint presentation, so PowerPoint presentation ku sambandhinchina amshalu నేరుగా ప్రత్యక్షంగా ఇక్కడ కనబడతాయి కనుక సార్ పెన్ డ్రైవ్ देंगे సార్ देंगे नहीं अभी it's in circulation, sir. It took little bit of time. By the time no it's we have taken the permission from honorable speaker. No precedents, nothing, but as told by the learned legislator colleague and a senior member, OIC Saab is mentioning about what's been happening. Sir, here it is a situation where we are doing a PowerPoint presentation. In the PowerPoint presentation, there are so many pictorial things where we reflect. So we just thought we would be having this, and after that we'll be giving a short note on it. Bear with us, and it's not out of intention what we are not giving it. It is absolutely the PowerPoint presentation itself will suffice. The input for the honorable legislator, sir. This is why our minister and also the legislature secretariat has taken this note. We will be doing it in the process.